So the traditional sequence of Amazon product research involves browsing the top selling products in categories, browsing top selling products using tools. Okay, so what is meant by that is by going to Amazon.com, which I will pull into view. And sometimes my computer tends to run slowly, so if it's going to run slowly, then I'm just going to skip these demos. But okay, this is interesting. So there isn't a list of categories on the left side. So Amazon, as you guys probably are aware, they keep changing the layout of their website everywhere over time. So sometimes we get a list of departments or categories on the left, and sometimes we don't. So here's a list of categories, and I don't know if this is the case anymore, but let's see. So if you click on any of these subcategories, anyhow, so if you click on a subcategory, it will take you to, previously it would take you to this, this page where you can see the top sellers in that subcategory, okay? So I'm trying to go through this and go, and so, you know, typically you go down to arts and crafts and sewing, see the top 100 in arts, crafts, and sewing. And so you would go in these subcategories and you would scour and see which product makes sense. Okay. But you're limited to the top 100 products. And the problem is everybody else is also, I mean, this was a method that was taught early on in the Amazon days, but everybody else in the world is also going to look at the top 100 products. And so definitely don't do that. There's product research tools out there, and and you know, I think a lot of you are more savvy about using these tools. So definitely use these tools to look for product opportunities. Now, I'm going to drag into view a few of these tools. So there's this tool called Product Discovery, and it's a feature, it's a function inside of ViraLaunch, okay? And then Helium 10 has something called Black Box, which is still spinning, okay? And this is where we can search for products, and you can define filters to search for it. And then Jungle Scout is a popular tool for searching for products as well. So a lot of times people would set filters where they're looking at monthly revenue. They want to go for the top sellers. The problem is nowadays, again, just like the method of browsing the top 100 products in a category or in a subcategory, finding the top selling products it's essentially the same thing, right? But just using a different tool to do it. So if you're using a tool to find the top selling products, you're just going to get into a lot of hot water later on, because if you're, you know, those top selling products caught your attention, but they also caught the attention of potentially thousands of other sellers, potentially tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions of sellers.